want to start using Skip for food delivery and you don't know how, I'm here to walk you through on how to download Skip food delivery app on your iPhone. So if you want to download Skip app on your iPhone, here's the first thing you have to do. Open up your Apple Store on your iPhone, then search for Skip in the search bar. Select the Skip app from the result. Ensure it's the correct app. Now, thank you. So if you want to ensure that the app you are installing on your iPhone is the food delivery app, which is Skip, make sure you check the icon. This is the app icon right here. You can see there is it. It looks like there's a fork and then cutlery on it. This is it. So once you confirm the app logo on the app resource and it match this image, then you can proceed and download the app. So once you tap on the app, you see a get button. Tap on the get button, then you authenticate it with your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if needed. Once you do that, tap on install, and once you install it, open the app from your home screen, then sign in or create a new account to start using the app. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.